Hey guys, today I'm back with another video. Today I'm here to show you on how I would program my key fob to connect to my car, both to connect and disconnect to my cars. As you see here, I have two key fobs. They all are working right now. They all works fine. And so what I want to do is I want to show you on how you would program it and how you would connect. Assume you got a new one and how you would program it. If you were to do that, most of us, we would go to technician. And if we go to technician, how much would they charge us? They would charge us more than 100, definitely even more than 150. These days, even I can't imagine. But when I show you the trick, you would be surprised how easy it is, and then how much it's going to save you in the future, to you or your friends that you can show to. For this, what I would like to do is I would like first to disconnect them, reset everything, and kick all of them out of controlling my car. And then we will connect it back as if they are new and to connect them to the car. Okay, so but actually the connecting and disconnecting, they are pretty much same. So to disconnect them, what we would like to do is we would like to I'm going to use this key that's working, the one that's the physical key, that can get into my engine key here, right? And so this is my engine key here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn it to the on mode. Turn it on. I will click 1. Turn it off. I'll turn it on. I'll click 2nd and off. I'll turn it on. Click 1. Turn it off. I'll turn it on. Click 1 and turn it off. Every 1 second. Plus I'm gonna click any of them, but I have to keep with one. Stick with any one I choose. If I choose this, I'll do this 4 times with this only. And yeah, when I click those 4 times, when I do this 4 times, I will see my cars will be my key fobs will be disconnected and won't be able to control my cars anymore. Okay, so let me show you this. I have it on. I have it in my engine, the key in the engine, and so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn it on. Turn it on. Okay. The reason the car was beeping is because I'm inside and it's locked. So when it's locked, you're not supposed to turn the car on, right? Anyway, so let's start. So I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to turn it on. 1, click it, turn it off. Turn it on, click it, turn it off. I'm going to turn it on, click it, turn it off. Third one. And there's last 4. Turn it on. See, they clicked, but I think it's a sign of goodbye. As you see, sign of goodbye. I cannot control them anymore. See, all of them, they cannot control it. They cannot control it. Okay. Now this is pretty much to the most of us scenarios where we have a new key and then we would like to connect the key. We got a new key and we would like to connect it to our car so that we can control our cars with the key fobs. As I told you, to program it through mechanics or technician, it would charge us a lot, because the key fob itself is just $10 or $15. I'll share you the link that I would buy it from Amazon. Especially I have this car for mine, Honda Insight, and this for this car Honda Insight, I will share you what the key fob I bought from Amazon, and it's very cheap. It's between $10 and $15. And so just with the $15 and myself, I don't have to pay all this extra $100. Okay, it's so easy, and that's what I'm sharing you here. Okay, my key fobs are all out of control. They cannot control my car anymore. I have to put them in, connect them back to my car so that I can use them to control my car. So to do that, again, I'm going to do 4 times with 1 click after each turn on. And then at the end, the first one, I will double click my key. Once it makes sounds to the doors, I'll double click them so that to make sure they are connected for this one. And the second one that I have here is I have to also click once I finish with this double click or third click after I took it out. I don't have to click right away, but within this 2-3 seconds I have to click that one also so that it's connected. If I have 10 of them, so I have to click all of them so that they are connected to my key, to my car. Okay, so let's do that. Have it, turn it on, I have click it. I'm gonna turn it on, I'm gonna click it. Turn it off, I'm gonna turn it on, I'm gonna click it 3rd time. The first one, turn it on, click it. I'm gonna double click it. Okay, see, I can control it. I'm gonna do this one. Probably I was late. So it's not controlling. The new one is not controlling. How I would control, how I have to do it again. Turn it on, click it. 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 So I'm gonna have to. I can only control this one. Okay. Let's do that again. That's 1, 2. Okay. I'm gonna do it again. 1, 2, click. 3, click. 4, click. So here, what I did is when I have my car is on the on mode, I double click this one, the one that was inside. The one else outside also, I had to click it also while it was inside. Now I have all of them programmed, both of them programmed. That's a easy trick, but that saves us a lot. So the recap is to reset them, to take them out, kick them out of controlling my car. What I had to do was I have to do 4 times, 4 turned on and 1 click in each. And at the end, I click only 1, and then I take it out. What does it do is it kick them all out. But if I want to connect them back, I do the same thing 4 times, but at the 4th one, I have to keep clicking. If I keep clicking, what I have already will still be working. And at the same time, while the one that's inside is on, I have to also click the other one. If I have 10 of them extra, while they are in the on mode, I have to click them again. When I click them, they will be connected. Like this one, because like I told you, it was not connected. Now they are connected. Both of them are connected. Okay, I hope this was a good information for you guys that will help you, and I'm sure it will save you hundreds of dollars. I'm sure. And if you like this one, if you think it helps you, like it and also share with your friends. Okay, until next video, bye bye.